To play recorded shows on Spectrum Xumo's Cloud DVR, first open the Spectrum TV or Xumo app on your compatible device, such as a smartphone, tablet, streaming device, or smart TV. Next, navigate to the DVR or My Library section within the app. Here you'll find a list of your recorded content, organized by date, channel, or genre. Simply select the show you want to watch and press play. You'll have standard playback options like pause, rewind, and fast forward. As of 2025, some devices may also support AI-enhanced scrubbing, allowing you to jump to specific scenes using voice commands or automated commercial skipping. A stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabps or higher, is required for smooth streaming. Spectrum Xumo's Cloud DVR offers several important features to enhance your viewing experience. Series recording allows you to automatically record all episodes of a show. Parental controls are available to restrict access to certain recordings. Video quality can be adjusted with options for HD or SD streaming depending on your plan and internet speed. Note that recordings typically expire after 90 days unless saved permanently. Access to recorded content is geo-restricted to the United States. Spectrum rolled out unlimited Cloud DVR storage for select plans, eliminating previous limits. Also, since recordings are stored in the cloud, they're accessible across multiple devices. If you are not a Spectrum internet user, you may need to sign up for eligible plans.